Okay, guys, today we're going to be looking at the five major world religions, and we're going to be talking about each one, and we're going to talk a little bit about what religion is and some of the different types of religion. So, with that being said, let's get going on looking at this lesson. Okay. So, as always, let's make sure that we write down our learning objectives. The first one being what is religion, the third being what are the different types of religion, and finally describe each of the world's five major religions. So again, if we look at a definition for religion, here it is in simple terms. It's a belief in a supernatural power or powers that are regarded as the creators and maintainers of the universe. And pretty much all parts of the world have specific and different types of religion. So let's look at the different types. The first type being monotheistic. A monotheistic religion is a religion where you only believe in one God. Examples of this would be Christianity and Judaism. They only believe in one God. In a polytheistic religion, it believes in many gods. Hinduism and Buddhism are religions that would fall into polytheistic. And then you also have another type of religion known as animistic or traditional religions. Usually, these types of religions can be found in places like Africa, also some Indian tribes, Native American tribes also have this type of religion. Again, here's a very good map showing you where some of these religions can be found. If you want to pause it and then write down um, where these religions are found, then you may pause it now. And again, you can take a good look at this map and make yourself familiar with where these religions are as far as the world map goes. Again, here's a nice pie chart showing you some other religions other than the five major ones. And you can see the percentages broken down. If you want to pause, you can do that and maybe jot down the five major ones, which or the ones that you think maybe are the five major ones at this point. And again, take a good look at the chart and see where some of these religions are falling as far as their percentages. This is another unique map. Christianity and the religion of Islam are the two dominant religions of the world, and you can see where those religions can be found. The red indicating Christianity and the green indicating Islam. Definitely want you to know this chart. This shows how many followers there are for each religion. Christianity at 1.9 billion, Islam at 1.1, Hinduism at 781 million, Buddhism at 324 million, Sikhism, which we're not going to discuss, but Judaism is at 14 million. So, again, this sort of gives you an idea of the amount of followers that each one of these religions has. Most religions are of the five. Three of them began in Southwest Asia. Judaism began in 2000 BC, so it is the oldest of pretty much of all these religions. Um, Christianity begins around between 26 and 36 AD, and Islam begins in 610 AD. And I know you see CE there. CE stands for Common Era, and it is in reference to the Roman Empire. The Common Era begins when the Roman Empire starts. Anything before the Roman Empire is known as BCE, which means before the Common Era. So, like I just mentioned, um, one of the world's oldest monotheistic religions is Judaism. Remember that Judaism, as far as its major beliefs, it is monotheistic. They believe in only one God. Um, they believe that This God made a covenant with Abraham, who's considered the father of Judaism. And of course, they also believe that God revealed his laws to his people through Moses in the Ten Commandments. So, those are some of the basic major beliefs of Judaism. This is a picture of the Western Wall. It's in Jerusalem. It's part of the original temple known as Solomon's Temple. It's all that's left. Um, it had been destroyed a couple of different times, but this is all that remains. And a lot of Jews go there to pray. Another symbol of Judaism is the Star of David. If you look at the star on the right, that is the one that the Jews were forced to wear during World War II and before World War II when the Nazis were forcing them to go through the Holocaust. Okay, that is going to do it for this first part. There is a part two. Um, so definitely make sure that you go back and review these things, jot your notes down, and then, check and make sure that you got a good understanding. You know where these religions are. You know what religion is. You got a good understanding about Judaism. So definitely go back and double check those things. Rewatch this video as much as you need to, and you should be good to go. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next video.